Have you made a 17th century Cavalier's wig, but you'd like to turn it into a wig for a woman? This is a portrait of Queen Henrietta Maria, the wife of King Charles I. Notice how her hair is smooth on the top, leading to a bun at the back of her head, but it's very curly on the sides and at the back. So what we need to do is smooth the hair out going towards the back. But this time, to tuck them underneath and tape them there instead. So we'll just make a line along here of strips tucked under and taped beneath. That works better, doesn't it? And then we're going to draw this hair at the back into a kind of top knot or bun. Should we try doing it with a scrunchie and see what happens? Well, that would work, and we could tuck the edges in, or if you want to do it properly, we could use a ribbon. And then we just would have to neaten up this bun to make it look a little bit more realistic.